Hi everyone, today we're going to be using propositional calculus to find out who the hero Gotham needs right now is. So first we're going to let x equal the hero Gotham needs right now. Next we need to let d equal the hero Gotham deserves. Then we will let b equal Batman. So first we need to start with a line of assumption based on the information we have from Commissioner Gordon. And that is Batman is the hero Gotham deserves. Batman is not the hero Gotham needs right now. And that's line of assumption 1. Our next line, line 2, we will assume X, the hero Gotham needs right now. On line 3, we can separate line 1 in line 4. We can then use lines 2 and 3 and that line 4 will be dependent on lines 1 and 2. In line 5, we will break up the first part of line 1 using AND elimination, and that will be dependent on line 1. In line 6, we will use lines 4 and 5. In line 7, we can use lines 2 and 6 with a conditional proof, so that line 7 will depend only on line 1. Finally, at line 8, we've proved that following Commissioner Gordon's assumption, the hero Gotham needs right now is not the hero Gotham deserves. And that's the end of the proof.